Hi everyone, in this video, I will mention 10 common problems that 4th generation Pontiac Firebird vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The cap of the Optispark Distributor in 1993 to 1997 models with 5.7-liter LT1 engines is prone to get damage causing cylinder misfires. It is recommended to replace the OEM Optispark Distributor with a better quality replacement like the MSD unit shown on the screen. Number 2. The power window lift motors in some of these vehicles are prone to experience premature failure, causing the affected window not to roll up or down. Replacing the damaged window lift motor with a new replacement of better quality solves the problem. Number 3. The front seats tend to tear on the sides over time as shown on the screen. To solve this cosmetic issue, the torn seat needs to be reupholstered professionally. Number 4. The back side of the intake manifold in some of these vehicles with 5.7-liter LT1 engines tends to develop oil leaks over time. Installing a new intake manifold gasket solves the problem. Number 5. The rubber seals of the T-tops tend to dry out over time, causing rainwater to leak inside the vehicle. Replacing the old rubber seals with new ones solves the problem. Number 6. The oil pressure switch, also known as oil pressure sensor, in some of these vehicles is prone to malfunction over time, causing the oil pressure gauge to fluctuate randomly or to display either extremely low or no oil pressure. Replacing the defective oil pressure switch with a new one of better quality solves the problem. Number 7. The water pump in some 1993 to 1997 with 5.7-liter LT1 engine is prone to develop coolant leaks before the vehicle reaches 100,000 miles. Replacing the leaking water pump with a new replacement of better quality solves the problem. Number 8. The headliner fabric in some of these vehicles tends to detach over time, giving the interior of the vehicle a bad appearance. To repair this cosmetic problem, it's necessary to remove the old fabric completely and replace it with new headliner material using the correct headliner adhesive. Number 9. The plastic gears of the headlight bucket motors are prone to strip over time, causing the affected headlight bucket not to lift when the headlights are turned on. It is recommended to replace the OEM plastic headlight motor gears with aftermarket brass replacements like the set shown on the screen. Number 10. The clear coat of the exterior paint tends to peel off over time, causing the need to have the vehicle repainted. Those are 10 common problems that 4th generation Pontiac Firebird vehicles are prone to experience.